Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 265 has been issued from 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Edwards, Wabash and White, and the following counties: in Indiana, Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh and Warwick, and the following counties: in Kentucky, Henderson and Union. Mississippi and St. Francis, and the following counties: in Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate and Tunica, and the following counties: in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby and Tipton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Another service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, southeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northern McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, north central Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Robards, or 12 miles south of Henderson, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The storm is showing very strong rotation and could produce a strong tornado at any time. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near St. Joseph and Beech Grove around 7:55 p.m. Owensboro around 8:05 p.m. Masonville around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Ridge and Mosleyville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 165 between mile marker 60 and 70. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 135 and 143. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Springs, Everwood, Stevensburg, and White Hills. We're going to need you to take shelter. Tornado warning on WHAS. Oh, Fordsville, great. Gusty showers. Oh no, TLR for LaRue. That's what I'm on Ryan y'all stream.
Yeah, take shelter. I want to look at slow to, give updates as I'm trying to fix and stuff. We don't have any tornadoes in the
Alright, I'm gonna take a look at the LMK TOR. That's right, hold on. Oh god, this is really close to Hodgenville. Guys, this is really getting close to Hodgenville. This is not good. Oh, this is an SPR for Montgomery's. Ah!
What everyone already knows, but budgeting is a good thing to do. But actually
Oh, wait, Texas SPR for Montgomery. I didn't get that, so. Oh, wait, I missed that, so. Oh, wait, I missed that, but oh well. At least I did get the LMK TOR. So we have thunderstorm warning.
Edwards County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Springs County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guthrie to near Roughton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Charlotte, Blackjack, Palmyra, Tennessee Ridge.
Oh, it's Clarksville.
Erin, Pleasant View, Cedar Hill, Houston County Airport, Land Between the Lakes, Ashland City, Cunningham, Cumberland City, Cheatham Dam, Adams, Dover, Big Rock, and Woodlawn. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 109 and 121. Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 31. For your protection,
Oh, Torcy in Kentucky, and Russellville. It's only 60 mile an hour gusts.
Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Northern County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westmoreland to near McEwen, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
CWA?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Blackjack, Hartsville, Moss, Pleasant Shade, Millersville, Gallatin, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Hendersonville, Cottontown, Orinda, Erin, Mount Juliet, Westmoreland,
This is from Nashville.
Forest Hills, Cumberland,
I think this is from Nashville.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 186 and 235. Interstate 65 between mile markers 121. Interstate 24 between mile markers 927. Interstate 810 near mile marker 76.
How the heck did they hit the 2-minute cap? Jeez.
Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 276, effective until noon Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Tazewell, Granville, and Person, and the following counties in Virginia: Charlotte, Halifax, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg, and Pittsylvania, and the Virginia independent city of Danville. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
just losing it. Because someone could not even get GSP no more, but since daytime is about to be coming up, so I guess that's pretty much it.